Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious spaghetti, sausage, and egg stir fry for dinner tonight, so let's get started. Okay, and for the main ingredients to make our delicious spaghetti, sausage, and egg stir fry, we have Oscar Mayer Smokies. They're a hardwood smoked sausage, and they really taste good. If you haven't tried these, go ahead and try them. They're good. Okay, we're going to probably only use 4 of those. And over here we have a nice red bell pepper. We're probably going to only use half of that. And we have a nice green bell pepper. We're probably going to use half of that. And back here we have a half an onion. It's a large onion. We might use all that. And over here we have our 2 nice large eggs. Alright, let's start chopping up our vegetables. We'll put some of this aside. Okay, let's go ahead and chop up our onion. Boy, that was a large onion, and that's only half of it. Okay, let's chop it up, and we'll slice it up good. Okay, and we'll go ahead and put them in a bowl, and we'll break them up. Okay, there you go. We have our nice onions there. Let's put them aside for now. Now we'll take our nice red bell pepper here and we'll cut it in half. Just like that. Okay, and we'll go ahead and slice that up. Okay, and we're going to cut them in half, I think. Right? Okay. Now we'll bring back our bowl and we'll put them right in there. Okay, there they are, a nice red bell pepper. Let's put them aside. And we'll bring in our nice green bell pepper and we'll cut that in half. Where are you going? Okay. Yeah, we'll go ahead and cut that up just like we did the red one. Okay. And we'll go ahead and cut them in half. And we'll go ahead and put them in a bowl. There you have it, our nice vegetables all cut up. Red and green bell peppers and onions. Okay, let's put these aside. Now we're going to take our Oscar Mayer Smokies. They're hardwood smoked sausage. And we're going to get them out of the package and we'll slice them up. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, here they are. Don't they look good? Alright, let's slice them up. Okay, we're going to slice them on a pretty good angle. Okay. Let's do another one. Okay. There you go. Okay, let's put them in a bowl. Wow, that's quite a bit. Okay, there you go. Our Oscar Mayer Smokies all sliced up. And they smell good. You know, if you haven't had any of these, go ahead and get a pack and try them out. They're really nice for this kind of a meal. And plus you can use them as like a hot dog. And they really do taste good. Okay, let's put these aside. Okay, now we're going to take a nice bowl. And we're going to crack a couple eggs in there. And to our eggs, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Put them right in there. And we'll kind of beat them up, you know. Okay. Okay, let's put this aside. Now we're going to take a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. This is the regular soy sauce. And to that we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Put that in there. And we'll go ahead and mix that up. Okay. Okay, now all we have to do is start cooking. Let's do that. Okay, in our non-stick pan here, let's set our burner to medium. And we'll go ahead and put a little oil in the pan. And we'll go ahead and take our egg mixture, right? We'll mix it up a little bit here. And we'll pour it right in there. Okay? Okay, and what we want to do is we want to soft scramble these. Okay, they're done. Let's go ahead and shut off our burner. And we'll put them aside. Okay, now let's bring in our nice large cast iron skillet. We love our cast iron pans, don't we? Okay, let's go ahead and set our burner to medium high. And we'll let our pan get hot, and then we'll add some oil. Okay, our pan seems hot enough. Let's just go ahead and add some oil. Make sure you put enough because we're frying up our sausage. Okay, let's take our sausage and we'll put it right in there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add all our vegetables in there. Our green peppers, red peppers, and onions. Now we're going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of garlic. Put that in there. Okay, they're done. Let's shut off our burner. And let's get them out of there. Okay. Wow, they look really good. Beautiful. Okay, let's put them aside for now. Okay, we're going to add a little bit more oil to the pan. Not much. And the flavor from the sausage and all that's going to mix in with our nice pasta. Yep. Now this is an angel hair spaghetti, so it should be real fine and nice. And we pre-cooked it, so there you go. Put that right in there. Make sure our burner's set to medium. And we'll give that a little stir and get it nice and hot. It's already a little bit hot, you know, we just cooked them, so all we're doing is like warming them up. Okay, now we're going to take our soy sauce mixture and we're going to mix it up a little bit here. Okay. And we're going to pour that right in there. And mix that up good. Get it all a nice even color. Okay, when your spaghetti gets a nice even color like that and it's nice and hot, we're going to go ahead and add our vegetables and all our sausage right back in there. Look at that. Beautiful. Give that a good mix. Lower your temperature to medium low. Then we're going to go ahead and take our eggs and put them right back in there. Okay, now let's give that a light mix. Okay, that looks really good. Let's shut off our burner. And that's done. Boy, doesn't that look good? And if it tastes half as good as it smells, it's going to be delicious. Okay, let's go ahead and plate that up and we'll have a taste test. Or maybe we'll just leave it in the pan. Okay guys, here it is. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? That's our delicious spaghetti, sausage, and egg stir fry. And that's what we're having for dinner tonight. And boy, is that loaded with sausage. And it's definitely loaded with green and red bell peppers, right? And onions. And it has some egg in there. With the seasoning in that egg, I bet it's going to taste good. And the seasoning in the soy sauce, oh yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and have a bite because this really does smell good. And I can't wait to get into it. So let's have a bite. Where to start because it is definitely loaded. Okay, let's go right here. Let's see how we do. Okay, there you go. Look at that sausage and pepper and egg. All right, let's go ahead and get a little bit of the pasta. There you go. Okay. Boy, doesn't that look good? Let's just go ahead and have a bite. I bet it's going to taste good. Okay, let's have one. Wow, is that tasty? That's really good. Look at this. That sausage is beautiful and it has a very nice flavor. You're going to love that. And the egg mixed in there with all the good flavors. Oh yeah, it really does taste good. That's just plain delicious right there. It is really, really tasty with all the different seasonings coming together and the flavors of the sausage, peppers and onions, and those eggs with all those good seasonings in there. Oh yeah. Plus that soy sauce mixture that we mixed in with the spaghetti with a little bit of red pepper flakes. That kicked it up a notch. That is really good. just go ahead and make it this way, because it'll definitely feed a family of 4, and it's quick and easy to make. Okay guys, you know what I'm going to have with this, because we're having it for dinner? Yep, you guessed it. I'm going to have a nice cold wobble pop with this. That sounds good, doesn't it? Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious spaghetti, sausage, and egg stir fry. That's what's for dinner tonight. You can't beat that right there. Look at that. Boy, does that look good. Good.